Welcome back to Quiz Birdie. Yo, quiz lovers. Can you guess the brand just by its sound? Some are iconic, some are sneaky, and all of them will mess with your brain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome quiz videos. That jump sounded like coins collecting. Classic Super Mario power-up mode. That beep was like a chat bubble popping. Burger King calling. Snack time is now. That beep was like a chat bubble popping. Messenger vibes. Let's chat it out. That sound just fried my brain in 11 secret ways. Oh yes, it's KFC. Crispy vibes, extra crunchy condiments. That sound just zoomed past my Wi-Fi. Vroom vroom, it's Ferrari, red blur of speed. Which one is not the messenger logo? Yes, the correct answer is B. Dude, did someone just open a snack vault? That's Pringles. Flavor explosion incoming. Did someone just throw a candy party? That's M&M's. Colorful sweet chaos. Boom shakalaka! What sound just attacked us? Oh snap! It's Netflix. Binge blast mode. Did a rainbow just explode in my mouth? What? Yup, it's Chupa Chups flavor bombs on a stick. Whoa, that sound just tasted like a rainbow. That Skittles taste the rainbow, baby. Find the odd one out. Yes, that is. That sound just kicked in turbo mode, you feel? That's Mountain Dew, fuel for legends. Who just snapped in style? Sounded delicious. Oh yum! It's Kit Kat brake mode activated. That Fizz just danced into my eardrums wearing sunglasses. Yup, it's Coca-Cola. Pop the cap and refresh reality. Sounded like success sneezed on us. Yes, it's Window. Reboot your brain. Whoa, did Yahoo just say Yahoo? It's Yahoo Old School Internet. Yahoo! Sound detected? Guess that logo now. Nokia's back, and it's still boss. Wait, was that a magic wand or something? Disney just sprinkled pixie dust. And that's a wrap on the logo Sound Madness. How many did you crush? Drop your score in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe for more brain-twisting fun, and we'll see you in the next one.